You feel tired, weak, unmotivated. You scroll for hours, procrastinate all day, and deep down, you know something's off. Here's the brutal truth. You're killing your testosterone, and you're doing it every single day, without even realizing. Forget age, forget genetics. Most men are losing testosterone because of 3 daily habits that silently destroy their hormones. And the worst part? You're doing them without a second thought, every damn day. You wake up and the first thing you consume? Sugar. That cereal, healthy granola bar, iced coffee with 3 pumps of syrup, all of it spikes your insulin. And guess what insulin does? It crushes your testosterone. One sugary meal can drop your T levels by 25% in a matter of hours. And you do this every single morning. Start your day like that, and your hormones never even get the chance to show up. You sit all day, at your desk, on your couch, scrolling, slouching, surviving. No resistance, no movement, no testosterone. When your muscles aren't challenged, your body stops producing what makes you a man, lifting heavy, sprinting, pushing your limits. These tell your body to produce more testosterone, but your daily routine tells it the opposite. You're signaling weakness, and your hormones are listening. And then there's the worst one, the dopamine addiction. Scrolling TikTok for hours, late-night porn, binge-watching Netflix. Every time you overstimulate, your brain gets a fake reward. You feel good for a second, then empty. That constant cycle wrecks your dopamine system. And when dopamine crashes, testosterone follows. You feel lazy, unmotivated, weak, not because you are, but because your hormones are burnt out. You don't need testosterone boosters. You need to stop doing the things that are killing it. Cut the sugar, move your body, break the dopamine loop. Your energy, your drive, your masculinity, it all comes back when you stop destroying it. Don't let these habits ruin you.